living periodic table, and today we're going to talk about thorium. So in the box for thorium, I have both thorium nitrate and I have an old Coleman lantern mantle. And some people might wonder, why an old lantern mantle? There's a funny story about this. And those mantles were actually covered in thorium nitrate because it helped them burn brighter. And so as a kid, I'm sure many of you remember going camping, and you would still have the old mantle in there and you would break it apart with your finger so you could stick a new one on, or maybe it fell apart by being shook around during traveling and there was a bunch of ash inside the lantern and you would just blow it all over the picnic table that you were likely gathering around to play cards, to eat dinner, to do all those sorts of things. Well, you were blowing radioactive ash all over your campground. And so this Coleman lantern mantle is actually slightly radioactive because it's covered in thorium nitrate. And let's grab the Geiger counter. Okay, we have the Geiger counter and it's calibrated to background radiation at this point. So we're showing 1718 as background radiation. And now we'll put it up against the thorium nitrate sample and we'll start getting some radiation coming off of it. So we're all still alive after doing this in campgrounds for years and years as kids. And so it's not that radioactive, but it's still kind of an interesting thought to think that without even thinking about it, we were blowing radioactive ash all over our campground, and specifically where we planned on spending the night playing cards and eating our food. And that's the story on thorium. Thank you for tuning in and learning about science.